The rectangular-shaped box, truncated on the top, is made of thin ivory. Leaves are combined each other by ivory wedges. 3 bronze bars are used as support, but, at the same time, they are decorative elements thanks to their ends that resemble the lances. The lateral bars keep the hinge while the central one ends with a keyhole. The inside of the box is upholstered with a linen cloth. On the outside, light colors make the dashed painting figures stand out. Near the keyhole, circular medallions highlight arabesque and birds, while there is a feline and a peacock on the rear, that can be also seen on the sides. On the rear there are 2 free birds and 2 arabesques similar to the ones on the box. Arabic characters can be found along the frame of the cover. Other elements like the jag on the edges of the cover, the small circles and false brackets enrich the sober and elegant decoration, highlighting the natural and free elements. This object, a clear example of the Islamic art, belongs to the ivories which, according to Cunliffe, Cott and Pinder Wilson, were manufactured in Arabic Sicilian workshops between the 11th and 12th centuries, but this particular object, housed in Episcopal curia, dates back to the 12th century. This jewelry box resembles other works, the one housed in Capodimonte Museum, in Naples, and the one placed in the Ananis Cathedral, but in Viaroli's Cathedral it's possible to find the most similar work, so that we think they have been manufactured by the same craftsman. These boxes, used to store camphor, aloe or jewels, were offered to the beloved person or an important one, following a very common habit in the royal courts. Because of the decay it was impossible to complete the interpretation of the writing. The Professor Fatima Collaral, translated it in, "I'll offer you a tale," said to his friend. This sentence would give the present a sarcastic and ironic meaning by referring to the peacock and feline tails, painted in the medallions. It's not known how and when the ivory arrived in Martirano. We can only suppose that Enrico Cella, Count of Martirano, and Henry VI's lieutenant, and Leone Filippo de Matera, Martirano's bishop and Federico II's Lord Chancellor, lived in this town, getting in touch with the Norman court. The object, which boasts different artistic qualities, has a particular value as a rare evidence in Calabria, telling us about Christian and Arabic relationship in the Norman era, allowing the production of high-level artistic operas that enriches the history of the Calabrian population.